Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna continue working on my 2018 GMC Sierra 3500. And my plan for today's episode is disassemble this interior. I need to get the dashboard out, I need to get the front and rear seats out in order to get the carpet out, and then I'll be able to get the wire harnesses out. To taking dashboard out, it's gonna be a bit of a problem. You can see this dashboard is got pushed in, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull it out that easily. Everything is crunched in. Honestly, I don't know how difficult this is gonna be, but that's something I need to do. So what am I getting from this cab? I'm gonna get all the wiring. I'm gonna get the center piece of the dash, which probably gonna be the screen, all the buttons on the bottom, this surrounding of the GPS screen. I'll get the key, I'll get the ignition, all the wiring underneath it of the dashboard. I don't know about the heater unit. I'll see if it's cracked or not. Because the way it looks over here, it looks like it might be damaged. I don't know, we'll see after I get all of that. And after I'll finish disassembling this cab, I'm gonna have to go into garage, disassemble that cap, and start piecing it together, because I want to have a black interior, but at the same time, you guys saw all the wiring that goes on the bottom of the bed. It's burnt, so I need to replace it. And in order to have those features like a lane keeper, there's other stuff, I need that center piece, so that's why I need to replace the wirings in under dashboard also. And also what I want to do is pull out the carpet, disassemble all the plastics, and go to a car wash them so they don't stink later on. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, because you don't want to miss any awesome stuff I do on the channel. Let's start working on this cab, because not a whole lot time left for me to finish it. And looks like I'm able to make it till the November 1st, but only if there's gonna be no hiccups with the dealer parts. Other than that, I don't see any reason why I should not make it. But we'll see. Anything can happen. Let's start working. Balkan, 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 Balkan. Balkan, 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 Balkan. First, what I want to do is pull the dash out. In order to pull the dash out, I need to pull the steering wheel out and the center console. Steering wheel, it shouldn't be so hard. There's a few bolts underneath. The hardest part is to disconnect the clock spring wire, which is somewhere over there, and it's hard to get to it. So that's gonna be a bit of an issue, but that's not a problem. I can take care of it. Let's just pull the steering wheel out. So guys, I took the steering wheel out and you can see there's a piece, that piece from steering wheel. The impact was so hard. You can see this aluminum, 2 brackets are broke off. 2 are good, but 2 top ones are broke off. That's how bad the impact was. I'm pretty sure dash is tweaked also. Now let's get the center console apart. Center console is removed also. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is 2 bolts on the back, 2 bolts in the middle. You pop the cup holders and there's 2 bolts, and also 2 bolts over here. And then there's 2 bolts behind, so you have to unscrew it from behind, but before you have to pull the rubber out to be able to locate those bolts. So now I need to pull the dash out, which is not tough, but what is gonna make it tough is there's the bolts, I believe 4 bolts over here along the windshield, and probably I'm gonna have to, not probably, I'm gonna have to remove this windshield, then wires on this side, same thing on the other side, and what is that? I believe 2 bolts over this side and 2 bolts over there, then 2 bolts in the middle, and this whole dash assembly should be simple to remove, but it's gonna be heavy. Then I'll have to figure it out, something with the seats, but the dash is gonna be pain in the butt to get it out because of that windshield. Anyway, let's start getting this dashboard out.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Take my hand, and we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
Okay, the dashboard is out. You can see how bad it is, and this dash is equipped with the heads-up display over here and few other sensors. So this this internal parts and wire harness is gonna go on that black dash. Same thing, all the wiring from this steering wheel gonna go on that black steering wheel also. And that's the part you guys, I guess this the part you guys saw it. I hope I'm not gonna forget again to turn the camera on to record how to disassemble all this. But I'm gonna keep this pad. I don't know how bad this unit is. Hopefully nothing damaged, but I think it is. Anyway, let's just continue disassembling. There you go, guys. I pulled everything out. Now you can see how bad this damage is, how much this firewall tweaked over the driver's side, and there's a hole over there. So everything basically that I pulled out, heater and AC, it's all broken. Also the plastic that holds the pedal, gas and brake, also broken. Dash, it's destroyed. Only internals are good. Basically nothing usable off of this truck. That's really bad, but that's the experience for me. Now I'm gonna know how far I'm gonna have to go and see if it's worth it or not. But so far it's coming along pretty good, and the good thing is the fire damaged truck have those parts, so that's gonna be a good thing. But yeah, man, check it out. This cab is destroyed totally. I mean, you can use some of the parts off of it, but it's just a little bit of it. Anyway, I'm gonna try figure it out how to pull the seats out. I'm gonna have to somehow hack the motor, so I'm gonna be able to move back and forth in order to get the seats out. Let's do that right. I took all the wiring that goes on the bottom of the truck and goes up. Same thing on that side. There was some kind of computer or module with another module on the back. I took that too. So now basically I got everything out of here except maybe something I had to take it out off of the headliner. But other than that, that's it. This thing completely disassembled. That's what I found here. Never been opened. A lot of beer cans. So I don't know, this driver might be a drunk driver, but who knows? Maybe yes, maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, now I need to start here's the wires that I'm gonna start installing on that cab after I disassemble everything on it. Also, I'll start with the wiring, of course, and then I'll put everything else. That's gonna be a long process. I need to disassemble rest of the truck. Shouldn't take me long, probably a couple hours to do it. And then I'll start with the wire. I will run the wire that I pulled up from that truck. Switching everything on the dashboard, clean it. Basically, I'm gonna try attack at everything on this cab today. Hopefully I'll do it. There's gonna be a lot of little things that needs to be done. Hopefully I will have enough time. Let's just jump right on it and start disassembling. I got the wiring out, and one question is, why GM have so many different options on those trucks? Even though the truck I'm fixing is Z71, it didn't have the sliding window on the back. So the window was all, it's just plain glass without the slider. But it got the cooled seats, heated and cooled seats. This truck have sunroof, sliding windows, but it doesn't have a cooled seats. What the hell is going on? The other truck have a line keeper and heads-up display. This one doesn't. I mean, so much difference in them. Why not just make it 3 different categories where it's a simple and not leather, or if it's leather, it got all the options and then denul it the most option available. Why do you have so much difference into making, I don't know, I don't understand it. Anyway, now this is the wiring from this truck, this is the from other truck, and what I want to do is over here you can see it got some kind of ECUs and also got this plug for this sliding window, and I want to compare it to this loom, and maybe, oh, check it out, this one even have a plug already. Oh, that's nice. What about part number? Is it the same? Yeah, looks everything the same. That's nice. Oh, I was worried about it that I'm gonna have to redo it. Man, this is awesome. So now the problem solved. Oh, that was the easiest problem solving, and it made my day. Now I need to clean out, and also I want to get the last panel out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take the headliner down, wash it, and maybe wash the truck inside so it don't smell that bad. I kinda do smell it, so I'm gonna change everything possible, and plus all those plastics, I'm gonna wash it. I guess let's just continue disassembling. Yeah, it's nice thing about the wire. Something came up and I have to stop right here. The headliner I'm gonna be pulling out later on. Now I have to go, and I couldn't finish taking everything apart, but I can do that later. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up. Also, leave your thoughts down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, because you don't want to miss awesome stuff I do on my channel. And also, follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv to see inside scoop there before YouTube. I usually post there every single day. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you next one.